Sairam, dear children. Welcome back to EVS class. Let us chant Omkaram 3 times. Sairam, children. Today we will see a video from Tata Class Edge. It is about feathers. Let me take the Tata Class Edge video. School's name, username, and password. I am signing in. Wait for a while. Yes, it's coming. Let me take our class. It is third standard, isn't it? EVS. Today we are going to watch the video in about feathers. Okay, let me play it. Yes. Hey, Gia, look at that bird eating cherries. Look, now the birds flown to the mango tree. I wish I could fly like that. Well, you can't. You don't have wing feathers to fly. Birds are the only animals that have feathers. Let's see how a bird's feathers are useful for it. Birds use their feathers to fly just as we have small hair all over our body. Birds have feathers. The feathers cover their bodies. Feathers are useful for birds in many ways. They keep them warm in winter and cool in summer. Birds use feathers to line their nest. This keeps the eggs and baby birds warm. Feathers help the birds that live in and around water to swim. Their feathers are waterproof, so they can keep dry in water. Feathers of birds get damaged with the continuous flying, so they shed old feathers and grow new strong ones, once or twice a year. This process is called molting. Different birds have different kinds of feathers. They are of different shapes, size, and colors. Baby birds have small, soft feathers. They keep them warm. Adult birds have large, stiff feathers so they can fly. Usually, male birds have bright colored feathers to attract female birds. Baby birds and female birds have dull looking feathers. Thus, we see that feathers are very useful for birds. This video was about the feathers, their uses, isn't it? Did you enjoy this video,
Yes,
children?
ma'am. Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
enjoy this? Yes. Okay, then we are going to another sheet, worksheet. See,
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
see types of feathers. Answer the questions given below. Match the columns and name the bird by observing the feather. We have to observe the bird and feather. Okay. Which bird is this? Can you say? Yes, it is a crow. This is one with Yes, very good. With the pink beak, it is pigeon. Very good. Next one is
Owl.
the bird that is at in the daytime. Yes, very good. This one is, which bird is this? This is female coil, cuckoo. Okay. Now we have to match the feather. Let us see crow's feather. This one, no. This one, yes, very good. Because see here the brown shade is there, isn't it? Here spot is there. So this may be the correct answer. Let us see the answer later. Okay. Now this one is, yes, it is pigeon. We have to search it. It has spots. It is no or the feather of a pigeon. No, it is also not. It is a cross. Then this one, yes, this is the feather of a pigeon. Next, which bird are owl? From these two, we have to select. Which one? This one? Look at the bird also and select. This one? No. Then this one? Yes, very good. Let us see. Now, this one, female cuckoo. Yes, this is the feather of cuckoo bird. Let us see. Is it correct or not? Yes. Pigeon's feather, owl's feather. Then this one is coil. Coil's feather is here. This one is crow's feather. Okay, very good. Well done. You understood it. Next, let us see the quiz. First question is, which of the following statements about birds is false? False means wrong. Wrong statement. Which one? All birds have feathers of same size, color and shape. First we read all the statements. Feathers of birds keep them warm. Feathers of birds help them to fly. A bird has different kinds of feathers. So tell me which one may be the correct answer. Feathers help the bird to keep the warm, isn't it? And feathers of a birds help them to fly also. A bird has different kinds of feathers. Now all the birds have feathers of same size. A peacock and crow's feathers are of same size or color or shade. No, so maybe this one is the false statement. Let us see, is it correct or not? Yes, it is correct. Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we are going to second question. Okay. Why do birds need feathers? To help them run. Feathers need to help run. Then what about us? We can't run. Yes, so it is not correct. Change directions in water. All the birds are not swimming in water, isn't it? So, to keep them cold or to keep them warm? Let us see. In the video also we have seen that feathers help the birds to keep them warm, isn't it? Let
D,
us
ma'am.
see, is it correct or not? Yes, D. Okay, submit. Very good, correct answer. Next question. Which of the following birds do not fly too high because it has very long tail? See, which bird's tail is very long? This one's, this one's, this one's or this one's? Yes, this one's. Let us see, it is correct or not? Yes, yes, very good. It is also correct. Next question. Look at the feather and identify the bird. peacock, owl, parrot, and crow. All these birds feathers you have to imagine. See what is the color of a crow's feather, parrot's feather, owl's feather, and peacock's. Okay. So what will be the correct answer? Peacock has colorful feathers. Owl has brownish colored feather. Isn't it? Parrot has green colored feather. Then crow's feather is black. Let us see. Yes, it is also correct. Well done. Next one. Identify the bird that has long blue and green feathers. Has long blue and green feathers. Crow? No. Crow's feathers color is? Yes, it is black. Isn't it? Pigeons is grey. Owl's feathers color is? Yes, brownish color, isn't it? So let us take this one. Let us see.
Peacock.
Yes, it is correct. Very good, very good. So all the answers are correct. Now we are going to log out this and okay. Yes, now we will learn some fill in the blanks, question answers, and match the followings. Okay, let us see. Now, children, the chapter number 8, the name of the chapter is Flying High. First question given is for filling the blanks. A nest is the home of a dash. What is the answer here? Yes, it is the home of a bird. Very good. A tailor bird has a dash like beak to stitch leaves together to make its nest. Tailor bird stitches its nest. So it has a which type of needle? Beak hai? Yes, it has a needle. It has a needle-like beak to stitch the leaves, isn't it? Now, an owl uses the empty hole in the tree trunk as its what? In the video also we have seen that owls do not make nest. It lives in the burrow or hole in the tree trunk, isn't it? So, owl uses an empty hole in the tree trunk as its nest. Very good. A vulture is a dash as it eats dead animals. I told you before also a vulture that cleans our surroundings. So it is a scavenger because it eats the dead and decayed animals. Very good, very good. You are very attentive. I am so happy. Now, next question. Dash and dash can imitate our voice. Our voice. Who need the birds? They can imitate our voice.
Parrot.
Yes, parrots. Very good, very good. And minus, they can imitate our voice. Very good, very good. Next question. Dash is the place where bird sits or rests. We have seen in the video also. I think you have forgotten the
Nest.
word is perch. Perch is the place where bird sits or rest. Is it clear? Now we are going to next question, that is name the following. Second question. Four animals that can fly other than birds. Okay, so we have learned earlier also a bat can fly but it is not a bird. Flying squirrel can fly but it is not a bird. Mosquito, honeybee, all these are insects that can also fly. Okay, so bat, flying squirrel, mosquito, honeybee. I have already given 4 examples, so you can write more. Housefly, isn't it? So many insects are there. Now, two birds that eat seeds and insects. We learned that seeds eating insects, birds have short, stout beaks to crack the seeds. So these are the examples, two examples, sparrow and peacock. Okay, children. Now, two birds with a sharp curved beak to tear prey. Prey means food into pieces. The flesh of the prey into pieces. So they have hooked sharp beak. Which birds are they? They are vulture, kite. Do you understand, children? Now we are going to next question, that is match the following. I didn't match it. You have to say the answer. Okay. After that, you can also match it. You crush. First question is crushing beak. We have just now seen some birds have short, stout beak to crush the seeds. Yes, your guess is correct. Here it is given sparrow, crushing beak. A sparrow has crushing beak. Now tearing beak. Tearing means you have the bird that tear the flesh of the prey. Okay,
Vulture, ma'am.
very good. Yes, very good. Well done, well done. Tearing
Thank you,
beak
ma'am. Thank you.
means culture. Very good. Chiseling beak. Chiseling beak. It is used to used like a chisel to hold the tree trunk. Which one can you guess? It is a yes, woodpecker.
Ma'am.
Very good. Now, next one is nectaring bee. Nectaring. Nectar sucking birds have this type of beak. Which one? Nectaring. It has a straw-like, isn't it? Tubular beak. A hummingbird has a nectaring beak. Very good. Now, spearing beak. We have learned that spearing beak is used to catch the fish quickly from the water. So, you can guess it from which one? Yes, it is kingfisher. Now, straining beak. This beak is used like a strainer to strain the muddy water to get the fish or worms. Yes, which animal? Very good. It is
Duck, ma'am.
now scoop. Very good, very good. Keep it up. Now, next one is scooping beak. Scooping. I told you that this type of birds have, some birds have this type of beak. It is like a ice cream scoop. So, which one may be the correct one? Yes, it is flamingo. Okay, well done, children. Now, we are going to next question, that is answer the following. First question is, why do birds make nests? Yes, we have already learned, we know the answer also. To lay eggs and hatch them. Birds make nests to lay eggs and hatch them. To protect eggs and young ones from enemies and bad others. Enemies, so many other birds are there, animals are there. No, they will steal the eggs and young ones, isn't it? And they will eat. So it has to protect the eggs and young ones from enemies and also from bad weather, means too hot, rainy season, isn't it? That time it helps the eggs and young ones. Okay, now what are the uses of feathers? Just now we have seen in the video, isn't it? It is used to fly, to keep the birds warm in winter and cool in summer. Warm in winter and cool in summer. Now, to line the nest to keep the eggs and baby birds warm. They are using the feathers to make the nest cozy and comfortable for the young ones and eggs. So, they line their feathers to make the Nest cozy and comfortable for the eggs and the baby birds. Okay. It is baby birds. Is it clear to all children? Yes. Now we are going to another part, that is we are going to doing an activity. Okay. You have to listen me. We are going to make a cock. All of you ready? Yes. Let me take the material. We need to make a cock. See children, this is a square paper. Okay. Square paper. All the sides are equal in length. Now we have to fold the square paper to get the shape of a triangle. Can you see this one? Yes. Yes, it is a triangle. Do you understand? Now open it, triangle, and open it. Now you can fold this side up to the line that you can see, the fold that you can see. See? This one, like this way, you can fold. Can you see, children? Can you
Yes.
see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Other side also we will fold like that. Yes. I have folded all this side. It looks like an cone ice cream. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
It looks like a cone ice. Then we will fold it. Yes. Fold it. One pointed side and this side is like this. Okay. Now we have to make the beak of the cock. So we will fold this in like this way to get the beak. Can you
Yes,
see the beak?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now, then next side we will fold to get the tail portion. Okay. Now we have to fold here towards back side to get the, or you can fold like this also. Also you can see from here. Okay. And we can stick it together. This side is the tail part. This one is the head part of the bird. Okay. Now we will stick it. See, this stick here, and we can stick this part also. Yes. Now we have to make a crust for it, red colored crust. Okay, you can take a red paper and cut it in the shape of a crust. Can you see the crust of the cock? Sorry, can you see the crust of the cock here? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. सेंटर पे
Children, am I audible?
सर मैम सेंटर पे दिखाइए मैम
Here देख रहे हैं?
yes
Is
ma'am
it clear?
yes ma'am very
Yes.
beautiful ma'am
Okay. Good. Very good. Let me to stick it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Very beautiful.
Yes.
Yes.
And we will do one thing. We can put a eye here, black color tie. Okay. You can take a small cutting from black paper and you can stick here. I am using a black binti here. Okay. It is easily stick there. Yes. Let me stick. Yes. Now our cook is ready. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you make this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you try. Okay. It is a very good activity. Do it. Okay, children.
Okay.
Had fun with this activity?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
children. Now we will wind up the class. Okay.
Yes,
We will
ma'am.
do Shanti Path. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Siren children. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.